This week we're going to go through some basics of PHP. The first thing I want to start off by sharing with you is what exactly PHP is. PHP originally stood for Personal Home Page. It was created in 1994 by Ramis Lehrdorf, and he wanted to track visitors that came to visit his online resume. As its usefulness and its capabilities grew, it began to be utilized by more professional situations. PHP has come to mean hypertext preprocessor. The definition basically means that PHP handles data before it becomes HTML. According to the official PHP website found at php.net, PHP is a popular general-purpose scripting language that is especially suited for web development. More specifically, PHP is a scripting language that's commonly embedded with HTML. I want to examine what this means in a little more detail. To say that PHP can be embedded into HTML means that PHP code can be written within your HTML. HTML is the language in which all web pages are built. Therefore, programming with PHP starts off as only slightly more complicated than hand-coding HTML. Also, PHP is a scripting language as opposed to a compiled language. This means that PHP is designed to do something only after an event occurs. This could be something like a user submits a form, or they go to a specific URL. Another popular example of a scripting language is JavaScript, which commonly handles events that occur within the browser. Both PHP and JavaScript can also be described as interpreted because the code must run through an executable, such as the PHP module or the browser's JavaScript component. You should also understand that PHP is a server-side technology. This refers to the fact that everything PHP does occurs on the server as opposed to on the client. A server is just a computer that's set up to provide the pages you see when you go to a web address with your browser. Finally, PHP is cross-platform. This means it can be used on machines that are running Unix, Windows, Macintosh, and any other operating system. Again, we're talking about the server's operating system, not about the client's. Not only can PHP run on almost any operating system, but unlike many other programming languages, it enables you to switch your work from one platform to another with few or no modifications.